Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to calculate the difference in time where the time is denoted with a dot. Here I have some in time and out time. I'm just going to calculate the difference between both the times. So for that, first I have to convert this 10, that integer value, into minutes, that hours into minutes. For that my formula is going to be is equal to integer of this into 60. So which is 10 into 60, which is 600. Now I'm going to calculate that 0.5, which is half an hour. I'm going to convert it into minutes. So for that the formula is equal to C2 minus integer of this into 100. So make sure you put this within quotes, only then our value will come up correctly. So now add up both the values. And for 9.45 also I am calculating the same. So the difference between both the time is 65. So the difference between 9:45 and 10:05 is 1 hour 5 minutes. So that is 65. So now I am going to convert this 65 into hours. Quotient of the numerator is this 65 number, comma, and my denominator is 60. So which means 65 divided by 60. So what is the whole number you get? 1. Like for example, it's equal to quotient of 5, 2. Here 5 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. You will get 2 as the whole value. So here my whole value is 1. And what will be the balance? So 65 divided by 60, whole value is 1 and the balance is 5. How do I derive at that balance? The formula is MOD of this numerator, comma, denominator 60. The answer is 5. So this I want to merge both of this, 1 hour and 5 minutes. Like 0.5 it will come. For this I have to divide it by 100. So which is 1 hour and 0.5. I can give this plus this. So which is 1 hour 5 minutes. Now merge formulas into one cell where this 1.50 will come up in my difference column. Okay, let's see how to do that. So first I have taken integer of the whole number and then decimal value. So copy this formula and I have to added both of that. So give plus and paste this formula. So 650. My answer resultant value has come up here. The same way you can do it for this also. Okay, and here I have got this formula. My next formula is this value minus this value is my next formula. So give F2 minus this. So instead of C3 I have to give B2. So wherever C3 is there, give B2. Make sure you put everything within brackets, only then our value will come up correctly. So 65 value has come up. Okay, now this 65 value I am changing it by quotient and remainder. Okay, so for that copy this full formula. Before integer insert quotient of and the formula, comma, 60. And what am I doing? I am adding MOD of this formula, comma, 6 divisible by 100. And also make sure the time you are inserting is a 24-hour format, only then this formula will work up correctly. I am giving 12:30 and 14:50. So the difference is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Hope this was very much helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much.